Ask for forgiveness. ओकासवन्दामि भन्ते द्वारतयेन मयं कथं सबङ्गच्चयं प्रमतमे भन्ते द्वितीयम्पि ओकासवन्दामि भन्ते द्वारतयेन मयं कथं सबङ्गच्चयं प्रमतमे भन्ते तृतीयम्पि ओकासवन्दामि भन्ते द्वारतयेन मयं कथं सबङ्गच्चयं प्रमतमे भन्ते भन्ते.
Yes, you can
Just
ask Sina.
आजीवट्टमग्गशील.
Yes, okay.
उकास अहं भन्ते तिसरणेन सह आजीव अट्ठमग्गशीलं धम्मं याचामि अनुगहं कत्वा शीलं देथमे भन्ते द्वितीयम्पि ओकास अहं भन्ते तिसरणेन सह आजीव अट्ठमग्गशीलं धम्मं याचामि अनुगहं कत्वा शीलं देथमे भन्ते तृतीयम्पि ओकास अहं भन्ते तिसरणेन सह आजीव अट्ठमग्गशीलं धम्मं याचामि अनुगहं कत्वा शीलं देथमे भन्ते
यमहं वदामि तं वदेथ.
आं भन्ते.
नमो तस्स.
नमो तस्स भगवतो अरहतो सम्मा सम्बुद्धस्स. नमो तस्स भगवतो अरहतो सम्मा सम्बुद्धस्स. नमो तस्स भगवतो अरहतो सम्मा सम्बुद्धस्स.
बुद्धं शरणं गच्छामि.
बुद्धं शरणं गच्छामि.
धम्मं शरणं गच्छामि.
धम्मं शरणं गच्छामि.
संघं शरणं गच्छामि.
संघं शरणं गच्छामि.
द्वितीयम्पि बुद्धं शरणं गच्छामि.
तृतीयम्पि बुद्धं शरणं गच्छामि.
द्वितीयम्पि धम्मं शरणं गच्छामि.
तृतीयम्पि धम्मं शरणं गच्छामि.
द्वितीयम्पि संघं शरणं गच्छामि.
तृतीयम्पि संघं शरणं गच्छामि.
तृतीयम्पि बुद्धं शरणं गच्छामि.
तृतीयम्पि बुद्धं शरणं गच्छामि.
तृतीयम्पि धम्मं शरणं गच्छामि.
तृतीयम्पि धम्मं शरणं गच्छामि.
तृतीयम्पि संघं शरणं गच्छामि.
तृतीयम्पि संघं शरणं गच्छामि.
शरणागमनं सम्पूर्णं.
आं भन्ते.
पाणातिपाता वेरमणि सिक्खापदं समादयामि.
पाणातिपाता वेरमणि सिक्खापदं समाधियामि.
अदिन्नादाना वेरमणि सिक्खापदं समादयामि.
अदिन्नादाना वेरमणि सिक्खापदं समाधियामि.
कामेषु मिथ्याचारा वेरमणि सिक्खापदं समादयामि.
कामेषु मिच्छाचारा वेरमणि सिक्खापदं समाधियामि.
मुसावादा वेरमणि सिक्खापदं समादयामि.
मुसावादा वेरमणि सिक्खापदं समाधियामि.
पिशुनावाचा वेरमणि सिक्खापदं समादयामि.
सुनावाचा वेरमणि सिक्खापदं समाधियामि.
परुषावाचा वेरमणि सिक्खापदं समादयामि.
परुषावाचा वेरमणि सिक्खापदं समाधियामि.
संपप्पलापा वेरमणि सिक्खापदं समादयामि.
संपप्पलापा वेरमणि सिक्खापदं समाधियामि.
मिथ्याजीवा वेरमणि सिक्खापदं समादयामि.
इच्छा आजीवा वेरमणि सिक्खापदं समाधियामि.
තිසරණේන සද්ධින් ආජීව අට්ඨමක සේනං ධම්මං සාදුකං සුරක්ෂිතං කତ୍වා අපමාදේන සම්පාදේ තබ්බං
Bhante sadhu sadhu sadhu. Thank you, Bhante.
නමෝ තස්ස භගවතු අරහතෝ සම්මා සම්බුද්දස්ස නමෝ තස්ස භගවතු අරහතෝ සම්මා සම්බුද්දස්ස නමෝ තස්ස භගවතු අරහතෝ සම්මා සම්බුද්දස්ස ඉතමානෝ ඒකංචෝ ඉත්තිවා පුරිසෝ වා සමනං වා බ්‍රාහ්මනං වා උපසංකමිත්වා න පරිපුච්චිතා හෝති කිං භන්තේ කුසලං කිං භන්තේ අකුසලං කිං සාවජ්ජං කිං අනවජ්ජං කිං සේවිතබ්බං කින්න සේවිතබ්බං කිං මේ කාර්යමානේන දීඝරත්තං අහිතාය දුක්ඛාය හෝති කිං වාපන මේ කාර්යමානං දීඝරත්තං හිතාය සුඛාය හෝති තීති. Good morning, dear Dhammamangalam meditator. Actually, so happy after a long time to meet you because my life is so busy. That is why I couldn't meet you. However, today we got that opportunity, we got that chance according to the both side lucky. And today who will translate and while the token translator later will translate.
Some question can translate while talking. If longer, then I will tell them later one thing.
Okay. First, short talk that means
Yes.
benefitness in Dhamma discussion.
Yes.
Shortly after that, we'll interview, no?
Yes, Bhante.
Interview on time translate that short talk will translate.
Short talk. Okay, Bhante, you continue.
Yes, this topic from Chulakama Vibhanga Sutta, one Dhammapat, one paragraph. That Chulakama Vibhanga Sutta, when Lord Buddha in Jetavana, at that period there was the one Manavaka, his name is the Subha. Is that Thodaya Manavaka's son is the Subha. One day he went to meet Lord Buddha and he had 14 questions he asked from Lord Buddha. In this world, human beings are many different. Someone short age, someone long age, someone so much suffering, someone not suffering that much. Actually, someone so happily living during the life without suffering. Someone ugly, someone beautiful. And this question line, final one is the someone foolish, someone wiseful. What is the difference? Lord Buddha directly answered, Kammasaka Manava Satta Kamma Dayada Kamma Yoni Kamma Bandhu Kamma Patisarnoyan Kamma Karisami Kalyanama Papnamana, etc. That is how you are, no? You can translate without my translate, no?
Can.
Finally, that Subha said, great Lord Buddha, actually, I can't understand in short answer. Please, you can mention it is deeply. Lord Buddha, one by one, mention to the Subha. And that final one, Lord Buddha said, Ida Manava mean Manava mean great human, great man. In the Buddha Sasana, no, not it is in the Buddha Sasana, in this life, human life, they are not meeting great teachers. And female or male, anyone, without meeting great venerable or Brahma, and without asking their matters. Bhante, what is the wholesome? Bhante, what is the unwholesome? What we have to do, what we have to uh, do for happiness, what we'll do suffering, and what are the associate uh, good good people and good things for associate like this, without asking, they are living in own life. Once directly will go to the hell because they are naturally growing inside ignorance. Because of the ignorance, avidya, they will go to the hell. Someone, according to their knowledge, they are discussing with the greatest teachers. They are collecting knowledge, cultivating wisdom, and reborn in luxury life, that means human devas life, while they cultivating their reach into their final happiness also. That is Lord Buddha's answer for the questions. Actually, that is very important. We can see between us someone nothing talking anything. They are only themselves doing everything. Always foolish, always many mistake, many weak points. Someone educated also, now without thinking their education, they whatever they have questions, that is discussion with the greatest teachers, their knowledge day by day improving, they are day by day get into the shine. That is in person we can see. That is not only for present, not only for past, not only for three period, past, present, future, anywhere. Who are the wisefully discussions? They are growing in Dhamma and other facilities. Once are not going to the discussion anything, they are day by day getting lost knowledge together other facilities. That is why we have to always come to the meeting and discuss our questions. And always we have to hear Dhamma. It is very important. Without Dhamma knowledge, we can't find out our liberation. We can't find out our happiness. You need to live with the full happiness, right? For that, always we have to stand up on the Dhamma that will protect you. While the starting practice Dhamma, it is we have to maintain heedfully, because we never made like this real Buddha Sasana. Always in the world, non-real religions they have created method, etc. Many foolish methods. Buddhist Lord Buddha's Dhamma is the step by step we are bringing to the happiness. That way, slowly going up to final happiness, up to final liberation. That all the members who are in the Buddhist, real Buddhist, they are feeling that is. Swakhato Bhagavata Dhammo. This Lord Buddha's Dhamma clearly mentioned. Swakhato Bhagavato Dhammo Sanditiko. This Dhamma just while the hearing, while the practicing, just that moment they are getting that benefit, interestness, happiness. Swakata Bhagavata Dhammo Sanditiko Akaliko. These are balanced for 3 period, past, present, future. And especially when deepest stage, while they attaining Sotapanna, next moment, phala concentration. Sakadagami also, Sakadagami Marga, Sakadagami phala. Anagami Marga, Anagami phala. And Arahat Marga, Arahat phala. That is without any gap. Just one moment, first moment marga, next second moment phala. That way, akalika dhamma. Ehi passika, please come into the dhamma. Dhamma is calling to the beings. Beings are always in the suffering. That suffering beings are crying. At that time, Dhamma calling, please come to the Dhamma and search Dhamma, practice Dhamma. Once coming to the once while they enter into the Dhamma, open they are falling to the liberation. They are bringing to the liberation. Open Pachata Vetitabo Vinyohi, who are in that wisely, they are going to the final truth, This Dhamma is available in the world. Using this opportunity, we have to reach to that final moment. That is, you are always try to do this effort fulfilled solely up to final moment, and all will be happily reach to the liberation. The best now for the time we can start questions answers. It is time for you.
Sadhu Bhante,
Okay,
thank you.
go to Impal.
ते प्रश्न जे आहेत ते विचारा. सुरुवात करा. योगिता भोयर, प्लीज स्टार्ट करा तुमचा प्रश्न त्या दिवशी. त्यानंतर ज्यांची सध्या प्रॅक्टिस दिलेली त्यांनी हँड रेस करा. ओके, येस, अनम्यूट करा.
हॅलो,
हा बोला.
Yes.
हा.
And
वंदामी भांतेजी,
so,
नमो बुद्धाय सर.
हा.
सर माझा क्वेश्चन असा आहे की आपण 32 बॉडी पार्ट्सची जी प्रॅक्टिस सुरू केली आहे मागच्या महिन्यापासून, तर तेव्हापासून मला स्केलेटन पूर्ण दिसत आहेत. आणि आपण जसं जसं त्याच्यामध्ये सांगत गेला तसं तसं मी इम्प्रूव्ह करत गेली. पण सध्या झालेलं काय आहे की खूप सारे असंख्य दिसून राहिले आहे, पण ते कमी होत नव्हतं. जसं ढीक पडलेला दिसत आहे पूर्ण, आणि असं तिकडे तिकडे पांढरे शुभ्र असे सापळे दिसून राहिले आहे. आणि आता साधारण काही दिवसापासून आपण जी मरणानुसतीची प्रॅक्टिस सुरू केली, थोडं मिक्सअप झालाय सर. पण परत कालच्या टास्क मुळे ठीक आहे, पण काउंटिंग थोडं कमी आहे.
नाही, कालच्या टास्कचा रिझल्ट सांगा. काल काय झालेलं आहे?
हा सर, कालचा आपण जो दिलेला टास्क होता तो मी दिवसभर कंप्लीट केला आहे. आणि जे सापळे जे दिसत होते ते झोपलेले, ते कम्प्लिटली नाही दिसत होते मला. म्हणजे असे उभे चालताना, आणि खूप जास्त स्ट्रॉंग अँड लख्ख दिसत होते चालताना, असे उभे दिसत होते.
तर आता किती, म्हणजे कमी नाही झाले का?
जी सर, पण कमी होत आहे, पण खूप स्लोली आहे.
ओके,
जेवढ्या फास्ट
म्हणजे
वाढतात तेवढे हे नाही.
okay, Bhante, this lady seen the skeleton in 32 parts bone object. After that, I ask you and you give the practice. After that, she make it infinite, unbounding,
Mhm.
and then after that she was not able to reduce that infinite to the one, means unlimited to the one.
Never mind.
Now,
As her energy will try to do that is from corner to the uh, slowly mind will collect to the one point, but she can feel everywhere that skeleton light. You
she's
can
saying
understand?
Bhante, that she's seeing many everywhere, and every
Never
skeleton.
mind. Between that,
Yeah,
we'll focus one front of her,
okay,
and that skeleton is not backside, head backside.
okay,
Focus one or two session. Focus that
yeah,
skeleton practice,
yeah.
and after that, that is the white color. No,
Yes, Bhante.
uh, move to the white from skeleton to white.
Okay,
It is white. Maintain one or two session, and slowly expand up to boundless it also. And we try to the correct to the front it also.
मॅडम, बंते म्हणतायत की तुम्हाला इतके सगळे दिसत आहेत, तर ठीक आहे, काही प्रॉब्लेम नाही. त्याच्यामधून तुम्हाला फक्त एक वर फोकस करायचा आहे. कोणताही एक स्केलेटन, आणि त्यानंतर जेव्हा तुम्ही एक वर फोकस करसाल, तर जो मागचा भाग आहे डोक्याचा त्याच्यावर फोकस करायचा. ज्यावेळेस ते समोर येईल पूर्ण पांढरं होत, त्यानंतर तुम्हाला व्हाईटची जी प्रॅक्टिस आहे, तर ती सुरुवात करायची. पण ते व्हाईट कशी ना ना?
Yes.
हां. तर त्या
The white
स्केलेटनच्या पाठीमागं बघत तुम्ही तुमच्या समोर येईल ते. समोर आल्यानंतर पूर्ण पांढरं शुभ्र होऊन जाईल तुमच्या डोळ्यासमोर लाईट, आणि तिथून तुम्ही व्हाईट म्हणत राहायचं आणि त्याला स्टेबल ठेवायचं. पण ते म्हणतायत 1 ते 2 सेशन तुम्ही करा हे.
सर म्हणजे बॅक साइडनी पाहायचं आहे का असं?
स्केलेटनची बॅक साइड, स्केलेटनचं जे म्हणजे जे डोकं आहे ना,
हं.
त्याची जी
skeleton,
पाठीमागची साईड.
this only this
हां,
area.
बघा.
हां, जसं आपण वरून बघत होतो ना पायाच्या अंगठ्यापर्यंत तसं नाही आता.
तसं नाही. आता फक्त एका स्केलेटनला फोकस करायचं, आणि त्याच्यानंतर भंतेंनी जिथं सांगितलं त्याच्यात तिथं बघायचं, आणि तिथं बघताना नंतर हळू-हळू व्हाईट म्हणत राहायचं.
ओके सर. आणि जे मग बाकीचा जो खच पडलेला आहे ढग?
तो ऑटोमॅटिक चालला जाईल.
बरं. ठीक आहे सर. ओके.
ओके. हां.
ओके सर. थँक यू.
Yes.
येस.
Next one.
बदनामी म्हणते की
Okay. तो
बदनामी बनते जी
हां,
yes.
बोला.
किया तो
मला बोलतायचं मी सांगितलं होतं ना तर ते मला पाणी दिसत होतं आणि त्या रात्री म्हणजे बदनामी स्मृतीची जशी मी प्रॅक्टिस चालू झाली तर मी उठून उभी झाली आणि त्याच्यानंतर तुम्ही मला प्रॅक्टिस दिली होती एक तास करायचे नाही तसं
हां.
तर कालच्या प्रॅक्टिस मध्ये मला जे पाणी दिसत होतं सर ते
हां.
20 ते 25 मिनिट दिसलं सर मला.
ओके.
आणि काही
काल
वेळेस
तुम्हाला
पाणी म्हणजे अगदी
ओके, बोला.
बोला सर.
बोला.
नाही काही वेळेस ते पाण्याचा ओघ सुरूच होता आणि मग काही वेळेस अगदी म्हणजे स्थिर असं एकदम स्वच्छ असं ज्याच्यामध्ये असं रूप दिसते असं पाणी दिसलं.
ओके, ठीक. तुम्हाला कोणती प्रॅक्टिस दिली होती काल करायला मी?
मला आनापानच करायला सांगितलं होतं सर तुम्ही.
ओके, ठीक आहे. ठीक आहे, मी सांगतो भंतेंना. 20 ते 30 मिनिट ना?
हो सर.
ओके. Bhante, this lady seeing water, for some water still, and sometime water is running. but continuously sing for 20 to 30 minutes.
Only see in water, no?
Yes, Bante. Clear water.
What is the main object?
Anapana, Bante.
Anapana. Don't focus water. Don't think it is water. Whatever can be happen. Please, when you maintain your mindfulness on the breath more and more, please, when you try to catch all the breath without missing one. While going in, be mindful. While going out, be mindful. That way, continue mindfulness on the whole plate.
मॅम बनते म्हणतायत की तुम्ही त्या पाण्यावर लक्ष देऊ नका सध्या. बनते म्हणतायत की कंटिन्यू तुम्ही तुमच्या श्वासाच्या प्रती सजग राहा. श्वास आतमध्ये जाताना, श्वास बाहेर येताना कंटिन्यू त्याच्यावर लक्ष देत राहा. तिकडं तुम्ही जे पाणी येत आहे त्याच्यावर लक्ष देऊ नका. आनापानाच करा.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
ओके. येस. माताजी बोला माताजी.
सर ते माझी प्रॅक्टिस चालू आहे.
हा.
प्रॅक्टिस चालू आहे भवंगा चित्ताच्या ओझ्या कलाव ठमका ओझ्या कलाव.
पुन्हा एकदा सांगा.
तर
पुन्हा एकदा सांगा.
माझी प्रॅक्टिस चालू आहे. हृदय रूपा भवंगा चित्ताच्या ओझ्या अट्टमका कलाप. तर त्यामध्ये हृदय रूपा चालू आहे. हृदय रूपा चित्ताच्या ओझ्या अट्टमका कलाप तेच कंप्लीट झालाय. आणि आता प्रॅक्टिस तुझ्या पण झालंय. आता प्रॅक्टिस दिली आहे आहार त्याच्यामध्ये
तुमचा आवाज कट होते.
चित्ताच्या ओझ्या अट्टमका कलापामध्ये आवाज कट होत आहे.
हा.
कव्हरेज आहे की नाही. मी इकडे
बोला.
गडचांदूरला आली ना.
ओके बोला. तुमचा
कव्हरेज
प्रश्न
आहे की
सांगा.
नाही दुसरी. फक्त प्रश्न सांगू ना आता.
हा.
फक्त आता एकच सांगते की आहारा त्यामध्ये आहारा प्रॅक्टिस चालू आहे. आहारा.
ओके. तुम्हाला प्रश्न काय?
तर त्यात मला ते कसं करायचं ते विचारायचं.
आहारा उतुजा रूपा ना.
उतुजा झालं
हम्म.
त्यामध्ये हृदय रूपामध्ये. आता आहाराची प्रॅक्टिस केली आहे.
हम्म.
तर ते कसे करायचे ते थोडक्यात सांग.
पण ते she asking about the ahara rupa.
Yes. Who teach to the Rupa Kalapa meditation?
Bante Aryananda.
How about practice properly earth, water, fire, wind, and element, etc. step by step?
माताजी तुम्ही अर्थ, वॉटर, एअर आणि फायर ची प्रॅक्टिस स्टेप बाय स्टेप केली का?
हो.
येस बंते.
And in one do, that mean example I do.
Yes.
I do, I element, and body element, sex element, life faculty, life, and that 9, and nutriment produce material, temperature produce material, and mind produce material. That's 7 kalapa.
माताजी तुम्ही जे 6 डोअर्स आहेत, 6 इंद्रिय आहेत त्याच्यापैकी त्याच्या प्रत्येक मध्ये तुम्ही ही प्रॅक्टिस केलेली आहे का 8 याची?
हो सर.
येस बंते, शी ऑलरेडी डिड दॅट.
And now and is she complete Aido, this 7 kalapa, ear do, nose, stand, body do is the 6 kalapa,
Yes,
and mind do 7 kalapa. That's already completed.
yes, Bhante. She already completed, and she's, I think, she practicing the Khalapa producing from the Ahara.
That means karma produced material,
Yes.
mind produced material, food produced material, nutriment produced material, no?
Yeah. Now nutriment produce food produce material she want
Yes,
to know.
food produced material. That is that food produced material, temperature produced material, different the from karma, every kalapa have 5 elements, no?
Yeah.
Karma produce 5 elements can born new kalapas 4 to 5 generations,
Okay.
and mind produced materials 5 element can produce 2 to 3 only,
Okay.
and temperature produced materials 5 elements can produce up to 10 to 12 kalapas.
Okay.
That is step by step we have to practice, step by step have to learn. Actually, I don't know her first any experience. That is why clearly answering is little bit difficult, because I don't know past what are the experience, etc. It is
Actually,
better taking advice from main teacher.
ओके बनते. माताजी बनते म्हणतायत की तुम्ही
हम्म.
बनते आर्यानंद पासूनच ऍडवाइस घ्या.
सर मी आता जाऊच नाही शकत ना थोडे दिवस.
बनते शी इज इन इंडिया अँड शी वॉन्ट टू कंटिन्यू.
Actually, without basic experience knowledge, going up with the small difficulties there. These are actually samadhi is not a big problem. Vipassana, Rupa, Nama, Paticampa, that is very important for one teacher's advice.
ओके बनते.
Which in it
माताजी
can be harm.
माताजी मी बनते आर्यानंदाला तुमच्याशी कनेक्ट करून दिलं. ओके.
अच्छा
बनते म्हणतायत की 2 टीचर्स पासून या लेवलला प्रॅक्टिस घेणं हार्मफुल राहील तुमच्यासाठी.
अच्छा अच्छा.
कारण की बनते आर्यानंद तुमची प्रॅक्टिस चांगल्या प्रकारे ओळखतात आणि तुमची विपश्यनेची प्रॅक्टिस चालू आहे. त्यामुळे बनते म्हणतायत की एकच टीचर चांगले राहतील.
बरं बरं.
ठीक आहे. कारण की ते त्यांना तुमची प्रॅक्टिस माहिती आहे व्यवस्थित.
हो
ओके. ठीक आहे.
थँक्यू. वंदा मी बनते.
दुखी होत तो निभान पाहिजे होत.
सात.
अजून कोणाला विचारायचं आहे? बरेच जण मला मेसेज करत राहतात. तर प्लीज आता वेळ आहे तर तुम्ही आता विचारा. एक रायबोले आहेत, तरुणा रायबोले आहेत. त्यांना एक्सपिरियन्स आहे. संगीता वानकडे आहे, त्यांना एक्सपिरियन्स आहे. ज्यांना आहे ते फटाफट हात वर करा. येस.
वंदा मी म्हणते.
दुखी होतो.
सर मला तो आपल्याशी प्रश्न शेअर केला होता तो सरांना कोणत्याजींना विचार.
कोणता प्रश्न?
माझ्या आईचं डेथ झाली ती आणि त्यावेळेस मला तो शिबिरामध्ये एक्सपिरियन्स आला होता. हा म्हणते 2023ला माझ्या आईची डेथ झाली होती आणि मी जेव्हा घरी मेडिटेशन करायची त्यावेळेस माझ्या डोक्यामध्ये एकदम गरम वाफा निघत जायची. त्यामुळे मेडिटेशन सोडून द्यायची. पण जेव्हा शिबिर झालं शिबिरामध्ये आपण मैत्री मेहता घेतली होती. तेव्हा मी मेहता केली तर मला त्या क्षणी सगळं ते डोक्याचं दुखणं वगैरे सगळं निघून गेलं होतं. आणि मांडी घालून बसता येत नव्हतं ते पण दुखणं निघून. आणि आता जेव्हा 32 पार्टचं मेडिटेशन केलं त्याच्यामध्ये जेव्हा ब्लड झालं ब्लड आपण त्याचं ब्लड मला असं ब्लड दिसलं आणि त्यात माझ्या पूर्ण शरीरात खूप उष्णता निघाली. आणि आता जेव्हा आपण मरणानुस्मृती करतोय जेव्हा डेड बॉडी पाळायला सांगतो तर मला ते डेड बॉडी पण दिसत नाही आणि फिलिंग पण होत नाही.
तुमचा प्रश्न काय आहे?
प्रश्न हाच आहे आणि एक त्यांना सांगायचं होतं की त्यांनी जी मेहता दिली आहे त्याच्यामुळे मला फायदा झाला तर त्याच्या तिथे माझं दुखणं निघून गेलं आणि त्यानंतर तो त्रास कधी
ओके. हां.
हा
कोणाच्या बनतेंच्या शिबिरमध्ये ना?
हो सर.
बरं. नंतर अजून?
तेच ब्लडचं जेव्हा म्हटलं होतं त्या अंगातून पूर्ण वाफा निघत.
बरं ठीक आहे. ओके. हे 2च आहे ना तुमचं?
हो.
ठीक आहे. पण ते शी ओन्ली सेइंग दॅट इन इन मुंबईमध्ये का?
नाही नागपूरला.
Okay. When you teach the retreat in Nagpur, that time this lady joined, and when you teach metta, she have the problem in I think in the body or head, very heat coming from her body. But after doing metta, all problem gone.
Uh-huh.
Yeah, all problem gone.
Uh-huh.
That she say. After that, when she do the 32 parts, she's saying that in the blood section, when we start the blood, she's seeing the blood everywhere.
Uh-huh.
हेच
Good.
म्हटलं मॅडम रक्त सगळीकडे दिसतंय ना?
नाही सर असं रक्ताचं असं हे वाहताना दिसलं होतं फक्त एक क्षण.
किती वेळ दिसला होता?
एक सेकंद.
नाही नाही.
हं.
मग 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 नाही. Just a fraction of second she see one thing, nothing.
Sorry.
Not longer time, only few seconds she see the blood.
What is at that time object? No.
That
Yes.
32
On 32 parts or only blood?
only blood, only blood.
Object seen blood. Object also blood.
Yes.
Yeah. Okay. Never mind. Please will you chant a few minutes 32 parts
Okay.
and firstly chant and one by one focus in go to the up to blood and from head to up to fingers, leg fingers, all the body everywhere blood from up to down to up to down to up. Sometime maintain. After that, slowly when you think surrounding everywhere was blood, no? It is like ocean.
Yeah.
Everywhere blood. Practice. And while practicing, what are the experience? Please send.
मॅडम भंते म्हणतायत की तुम्ही 32 पाठ जे आहेत ते चॅन्टिंग करायचे म्हणायचे आहेत जसं आपण बुद्धगुण धम्मगुण संघगुण म्हणतो त्या टाईप एक व्हिडिओ आहे मी तो थोड्या वेळानं टाकून देईन चॅन्टिंगचा 32 पाठच्या त्याच्यानंतर 32 पाठ म्हटल्यानंतर तुम्ही स्टेप बाय स्टेप म्हणजे स्टेप बाय स्टेप ब्लड पर्यंत जायचं त्याच्यानंतर शरीरावर डोक्यापासून तर खालपर्यंत ब्लडच बघायचं. ब्लड, ब्लड, ब्लड आणि त्याच्यानंतर पूर्ण आजूबाजूला पूर्ण ठिकाणी तुम्हाला ब्लडच अझ्युम करायचं, ब्लडच बघायचं आहे. आलं लक्षात?
हो.
मी एकदा अजून बंतेचं आन्सर काय होतं ते एकदा पुन्हा चेक करेल. तुम्ही मला मेसेज करता संध्याकाळी. मी संध्याकाळी म्हणजे 1-2 तासानं मी हे बंतेचा आन्सर पुन्हा एकदा बघेल आणि तुम्हाला अजून एकदा सांगेल क्लिअरली.
हो.
ओके.
तर तिथे जाण्याबद्दल मी स्वतःला दोषी मानते. तुम्ही
तुम्हाला आता तुम्हाला आता आनापाना नाही करायचं, हेच करायचं.
बरं. थँक्यू. वंदन.
ओके.
Next
अजून
one.
अ, पण ते one lady saying that since practicing 32 body parts, I don't want to see my face in the mirror. And if I try to remember the real dirty state of it, means I remember the real dirty state of it and feeling sadness. How should I overcome it? But she's saying that after
How
practicing that,
old she?
no,
How old she?
overcome. She feeling sad because when she see in the mirror, she realized the dirtiness of the face. But when she see in the mirror,
How about others? See,
no,
that
she
means without mirror, we can see other. At that time, how about mine?
she only text बनते. मॅडम हँड रेस करा ना. हँड रेस करा. Poco X5. 1 minute. अनम्यूट करा. I don't know. She only
Okay.
text बनते.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay. Vanda mi Bhanteji.
Yes.
Yes. As I text there that I feel very sad while seeing in the mirror, and I realize all the body parts means flesh, blood, and all that is seen in the video that all
Yes,
our
that is,
32
I
parts
want to
are
know.
dirty.
Without you can normal life. You can see other beings, other human.
No,
How
no,
about
not
that
other,
be?
not other human beings. I realize the body parts like flesh, blood, and that all what is seen in the video. I see that, not other
Madam,
human,
Yes, that
but
is,
the
I want to know
okay,
in
okay.
normal life, how about that? While the practicing like this experience without practicing, how about that? Normal life, while living with the other your friends together,
मॅडम
family members
बनते
together.
बनते विचारतायत तुम्हाला की तुम्ही प्रॅक्टिस करताना तर दिसतं, तुमच्या प्रती तर दिसतंच, परंतु तुम्हाला दुसऱ्या लोकांचंही असंच दिसत आहे का?
नाही दुसऱ्या लोकांचं नाही दिसत.
नो, नो, नो. नॉट फॉर अदर पीपल बनते.
And how old she?
तुमचं वय किती आहे?
60.
50.
60.
60 पण.
Yes. Never mind. Don't think that deeply. This will you maintain on repulsions on the 30 parts. It will shortly move into the other stage.
Okay,
Continuing
so
meditation.
while practicing deeply now that time means 4-5 days means like many days we were practicing. That time
Yes.
sometimes I feel that any person look, I see at any person, I see that his body parts like that.
He's saying Bante that
Yes,
Realize.
he
yes. Okay,
Hmm.
okay. We
Hmm.
can understand. It is
Hmm.
normally body parts meditators getting that experience. Not only you, others
Hmm.
also.
Okay.
It is not a problem. Please maintain your meditation.
Okay. Okay.
Continue.
But how should I overcome that sadness? Means I
Sadness.
don't. Yes.
Uh, don't think it is sadfully. It is only
Okay.
parts.
Okay. Okay.
Not you have to think we
Hmm.
are the you, not a you, not a person. These
Hmm.
only parts, these
Hmm.
all the body parts. Huh?
Hmm.
That way more make mind and maintain your mindfulness.
Okay. Thank you, Bhante.
Yes,
Sadhu,
okay.
sadhu, sadhu.
अजून कोणी आहे का? Yeah, many Bante, but I don't know when you come, they not ask.
Corrections.
Yeah,
No,
they
my
they message me, they call me, ask me, but when you come, nobody asks.
face to face, little bit fear. No, it is
Mm,
actually this is online face to face, but
Yeah,
I will with the group.
yeah,
They are asking many.
yes.
Never
Uh,
mind.
okay,
Uh,
but if they some are on the jhanas also, but I think they are sick. Some are on
uh-huh,
Patibhaga, but some are not attending. I think it's okay, Bante. I
uh-huh.
will connect them directly with you when you are
Okay,
free.
okay. But that is like this morning we can use with morning also. Today I
Yes.
skip my morning session.
Yeah.
Never mind. Will there matters? We can make one session for private.
Bante, one question there. I have joined newly. What exactly does the practice for me, Mananusati or Anapanasati, and how much the time? One
Sorry.
person, the one question is he's a newly joined, just joined. He
Uh-huh.
asking which practice he have to do, Mananusati or Anapanasati, and how much time?
Mm, first beginners, it's better metta or buddhanusati.
Okay, Bante.
First we'll do few days buddhanusati or metta. After that we'll move to the anapanasati.
Okay. They already listen. Bante.
Yes.
अजून कोणाला काही विचारायचं आहे का? Yeah, Bante, that they're asking our admin asking some guidance for Shramanera course, Bante. What
When
are the
it will.
what are the benefits who arranging? What are the benefits who joining? Whatever the
Samanera.
what will be the effects on our center?
Okay, it is actually so great work, very important work. Uh, and now you can do it is properly your that Samanera program because just now I search your group. Now main leaders all are gathering. It is very, very important for private life. You are group together working, that energy, uncountable energy coming, that energy will you protect privately. It is very, very important. Actually, this Samurai program is not a big problem. Your group is powerful because now Sital is in the group and Mr. Mahendra is in the group and Mr. Ravindra also in the group. You are together. You have to find out what is the real Dhamma. In the world, now in present, many ignorance Dhamma, wrong Dhamma mentioned. Some lay people in Sri Lanka yesterday also I had to discuss to our discussion, many ignorance. Someone saying, no need to practice, no need to seal. Only hear Dhamma talk, you can enlighten. Because that Buddha period, many enlightened that way. Now, present also can enlighten. Huh? Someone saying like that. Someone saying, no need samatha, only do vipassana, that is enough. Lord Buddha never mentioned more samatha. About samatha, no mention. But Tipitaka, Sila Samadhi Panya, like that. Step by step, Lord Buddha mentioned. Now, many ignorance teachers in the world don't follow that is. Huh? Who are the power teachers? Please will you follow power teachers? I can believe power teachers teaching only real mention because they are educator and experiences. Experiences together will you go up. It is real result for you, great result for you. And following great teachers' advice, will you try to conduct that seminar program? It is very important for future Buddha Sasana. That benefitness, how will for you, how will affect for you, can't mention. Is very important merit for your liberation. Who are the going to the conduct that seminar program? Once getting more and more benefitness on that merit. That is Lord Buddha said, Kare vihare jambudipe kettang kareya tayobudipe meru pamanadikancha tidayadanang nagating pabajitani sansa. That mean in the Jambudipa, everywhere only building temples, not any others, only Jambudipa, full of Jambudipa temples only. In every temples, many venerables. And they are cultivating food on Uturukurodivaina, Madhya Videha, Aparagoyana, 3 islands, cultivating, making food more than Mahamera Parvata, Mahamera Pabbata. That donation merit is less than ordained merit. Who can do that is? Anybody cannot do that dana. But simply we can ordain. That ordained merit is bigger than that dana merit. That not only that example, many example mentioned. Ordained merit is so powerful. One day, not only one day, that one place mentioned, once ordained front of the house and enter into the house, disrobing, going out from back door. That much short time merit is cannot measure. It is benefitness, cannot mention benefitness. So deep merit, so powerful merit. Please, as your energy will you try to conduct that seminar program, many different benefits for Buddha Sasana, not only for Indian, not only for Chitta Viveka, it for all the beings. And actually, a bit worry, I couldn't support to you because we are new monastery, few balls, we have only 3-4 balls. That is also nearly need to, because 2 young boys are waiting for ordain. They will ordain maybe coming Vasana ceremony, ending of the Vasana ceremony. And that is for them also we have to use 2 balls. Other can be 2 or 3 extra. That's why I couldn't support to you.
No problem.
There
We
I think how you
got
collected ball, no?
17 given by Bante Aryananda. Yeah, 17. So other I will collect, no problem.
Actually, this is a temporary program, temporary ordain. That is why no need to real ball. Normal ball you can find out. I think in the Jetwanarama temple in Sri Lanka temple is there. What is the Lord Buddha's Molagandhakuti Vihara? There.
Sarana,
Mm.
Sarana.
Etc. Actually, in Sri Lankan, many Sri Lankan, while they going to the Bodh Gaya, while they going to the Parinibbana Manchaka, while they going to the first Dhamma talk place, Jetwanarama, the Sri Lankan always offer in Attaparikara. In that Attaparikara, many balls. One ball, every Attaparikara half ball. That way collected many ball in India. This you can ask from them.
Okay, Bhante.
They will support. It is no need to real ball like our using, because these are temporary. Huh?
Okay.
It will cannot. We will try to find out that normal ball in Sri Lanka and we will send to you.
Okay, Bhante. Thank you. Yeah.
And now we ask the Mr. Deepak you?
Sorry, Bhante.
India or in Sri Lanka?
I'm in India now, Bhante.
Uh-huh.
In India now. Yeah. That it's okay, Bhante. I will collect the balls also. And
Yes.
we need your yes, Bhante.
Okay. For the time being, so happy. Time also joining, collecting great merit for my liberation. You are sharing always your interest to me for my liberation. So happy, so great. By this way, solely all we will reach to liberation without any difficulties. All the facilities fully, happily, solely will complete our parami after our liberation. All the best. And today also, especially because of the Dhammamangalam, Mr. Deepak to the leaders, we collected so great merit. By this, our merit, that leaders will protect our liberation without any harming. All the facilities will come to the leaders, all the Dhamma knowledge also will come to the leaders for maintain this Buddha Sasana as long as. And our past relatives, uncountable relatives can be paid for our merit. It is actually not in this couple. Many couple that according to Theravada Sutta, etc., there was 92 Mahakappa for merit that became Bimbisara's relatives. That way our relatives also can be wait for our merit. They all will rejoice in our merit. They will soon reach the liberation. After liberation, they will take all the facilities for liberation. And not only past relatives, especially life protective, sasana protective, world protective, they were waiting for merit, our merit, human merit. They will rejoice in on our merit, soon will reach to liberation. And who are the joined, our joiner together, who thought to the joint and who support to this meritorious work, all will take all the merit and they all will solely reach to the liberation. All the best, fulfilling of all the good thoughts, solely looking for to Nibbana Pacho.
Thank you, Bhante.